Hello, and welcome to Petrichor Tarot. This is a general message for the collective, one that we will call the Daily Rain. Let's get to it. Today is October 22nd, 2025. In the description box of the video is information on how to book a personal reading with me, as well as information on the other social media platforms where you can find me and follow me there as well. In advance, I'd like to thank you for any like, share of the video or any comment, as well as any subscription that you would make to the channel. That would help the channel grow. Thank you for that. We have a Three of Air, a Hierophant, the Chariot, the Hija of Air, which is daughter of air, and then Mother of Air. This is an energy of relief. This is you going through everything that you've gone through. And you've done it, you've gone through it with faith, trusting your intuition, and with faith. And it's not scary, it's unknown. So there's an awkwardness about how you've gone and now not coming out of this, but through it all you've had faith. So now, because you have been so flexible, been so, what is the correct word here? Just, you've been so open to receive, okay, the messages that the universe is giving to you. The universe is bringing to you, okay, everything moving from here on out is going to be incredibly smooth and easy, just easy. Your path is cleared, and the universe is now bringing to you the right people, the right connections, the right situations, okay? The right ideas. You are also getting downloads. You are getting energetic downloads. More so than usual. Before they were here and there, rare, that you could notice them, right? Now it's going to become like a normal thing, like just an everyday or, a couple times a week that you're getting these downloads. And with it, moving forward, you get the opportunity to use everything that you've learned to help others, to heal others, on top of continuing to heal yourself. And everything that comes up, that situation, what have you, you handle it. You will handle it with grace and ease. You will do the trainings. You will do the workshops. You will do the homework. Like it's just another thing. It no longer is this overwhelming hurdle going forward. Things just come, and you when you're faced with something, you resolve it. You get things done. And it's because of everything that you went through. You held on tight, and you trusted your intuition. You had so much faith. in what Spirit, God, universe, what it is that it was for you. You knew that all of this had to be for something, right? It wouldn't be for something in vain. It would be something that would make things completely different. Again, unknown, not scary, but unknown. But so much better. So much better. Because you deserve better. You deserve a better job. You deserve a better rate of pay. You deserve a better relationship with yourself, with your loved ones, with your partner. You deserve more time. You deserve more joy. And it is being given to you in a rather unorthodox way, which is why, again, unknown. But everything that's going to come up, you're going to resolve it. Grace and ease. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Hold your own hand. Give yourself a hug. Be your best cheerleader. You got through all of this by yourself. You really did. And here you come out and you're going to move forward with the support of the universe, of Spirit of God. This is beautiful. Thank you for sharing your energy here. Your time is precious, and I thank you for tuning in. Come back tomorrow, like and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.